Okay, guys, so we are going to start on the first of a series of classic video game inspired soaps. I'm really excited. So today's is going to be Mario. This one's actually going to take us a couple days to do because I want to get these lines super straight and fine. This one is going to be scented with sunflower type oil from Nature's Garden. We are also going to attempt to color it with a glycerin colorant. So this is mica dissolved in glycerin. I tried it before, it didn't work, but I saw someone actually stick blended it and it mixed in fine. So we're going to try that. So today, so my molds are 50-ounce molds, not super huge, but there we go. We're going to do this one in 3 layers. So we'll have a 20-ounce layer, a 10-ounce layer, and a 20-ounce layer. So this first layer is going to be red. The second layer is going to be yellow, and the third layer is going to be blue. And then we're going to do some fun stuff on top. So I have my oils all melted, mixed up, using a smaller bowl because I want to be able to fully immerse my stick blender in it. And my big bowls, it's just going to be too thin a layer to be able to do that. So my lye water's all set. I'm going to get this mixed up. It's a little warmer than room temperature, which is where I normally like to work. But since we're just mixing one color, it's going in. We're just trying to get a straight top. I don't need it to be as thin as I normally like it just because I'm not swirling anything today. So let me mix this up, and then let's move over there. We'll mix it up, and we'll get started. All right, I am putting on my gloves. I do have my glasses on. Grab my stick blender, put that together. So today I'm actually going to be doing 2 soaps, which will be fun. So wait for that. Be on the lookout for that video as well. Okay, that's not what I expected. Oh my gosh. This is so very thick. I think my lye water was still way too hot. So we're going to move super quick. There you go. Glycerin colorants are working. A little bit more. Oh wow, that came out really well. So it looks like it thinned up a little bit with the addition of the fragrance oil. But I have had fragrance oils turn on me incredibly quickly, so I'm not going to trust that this got to stay thin for any stretch of time. So we're still going to try to work quickly. All right, so I do have my mold on an angle because I wanted this to be an angle, so I'm just using the top to hold that angle right there. And then, oh no, there's a hair in there. That's not good. Yep, see, it's thickening up super quick. So we're going to try to flatten that out real good. Because, yeah, that is thick. We might actually be able to get those second layers in today. Alright, so we're just going to set that to the side, let that sit up, and then we will do the next one. We might be able to get that one done tonight. Okay guys, so it's been a few days and we're back to cut the Mario soap. Here it is, block of soap. Our lines look like they've come out good, but we're only gonna be able to find out one way. Now my mold is a 10-inch mold. It does give me a teeny bit extra, a teeny bit over 10 inches. What that means is that I am going to shave off a tiny bit so that all my bars are going to look super pretty. There's my tiny bit of shave off. And I'll do it on both ends. So, there you go. That's not good. All right, I'm going to measure my soaps so that I do have 1-inch bars. I just want to be I like to be very accurate. Now, I have actually ordered a wire cheese cutter because it's literally 1/10 of the price of a wire soap cutter, and I think it's going to work the exact same. So I'm very much looking forward to that. But until it gets here, I'm cutting soap with a knife. That's okay. Alrighty, there we go. Wow, the lighting in this room is horrendous. There we go. That's gonna be our Mario soap. As you can tell, those lines, the blue to yellow line came out a lot better than that red line, but it smells great. It smells exactly like a power-up flower should. Not gonna lie, as I look at this, it's coming off very Wesley Crusher from Star Trek Next Generation to me. Like one of his one of his sweaters. So, well, there you go. It's also very nerdy thing, so. It does smell awesome. It is going to be up in the Etsy shop soon. As soon as I have an exact date of when the line launches, because I want to launch the whole line at once. As soon as I have an exact date of when that's going to be, I will post it up on the Instagram account, on Facebook, and of course here on the YouTube channel. So this is Jump Little Plumber Man. So I hope you all like it and have as much fun smelling like video game characters as I had making soap that smelled like video game characters.